Here we have the current stock market update for Coinbase Global Incorporated, stock ticker COIN. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful in your trading, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comment section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So as we can see here, the stock is really surging higher at the moment. This is a fairly significant reversal based on what we were seeing previously because, there was a substantial amount of downside price action here. We did previously fall from roughly 270, 250 all the way to 146. So, we're talking about $130 roughly in share price action here to the downside. These are very significant price movements that were being seen previously. And then as that occurred, we also saw some fairly significant breaks of support zones when looking at this stock from the longer term Fibonacci analysis. So, these recent movements to the top side have been forceful, and we have now broken through several layers of support, several layers of resistance in the process. So I think in the previous video, I think what we were looking at specifically was this 192.40 area. This would have been this price zone right here. The reason that we would have been looking at this area was because this was the 38.2% fib retracement of this broader trending move here, all of this price movement here. And then in addition to that, we had seen previous price failures in that area. They were a bit smaller in size. What we're talking about here is really this price movement here to the downside. This is starting to get a bit messy in the middle of the chart here, but this was a fairly, on the shorter term perspective here, this was a fairly significant price movement to the downside. It definitely was a failure right around 192.40, but we did manage to find some support right around 160, and now share prices have since broken above there quite convincingly. So where does this put us at the moment? So as we can see here, we have now broken through this prior level of resistance at 192.40 through that Fibonacci retracement level at 38.2%. And then also we have now broken above this blue line here, which is the 200 period exponential moving average. This is the 4-hour time frame. So it's not an hourly chart. I misspoke there. So, but overall, these are very significant price movements to the top side. We're breaking several layers here of resistance. And now, that next level that we were watching to the top side was 211. And that was the 50% retracement as well as an old sort of double top resistance region. And we're now grinding through there as well. So if we can get a daily close here above this region, I would say that that's a very, very significant price move. At the moment, we're looking at a price high at 212.40. So I guess we can update that here. So this would be 212.40. And, if we can get a price close above roughly, I would even say anything above 211 is probably acceptable there. So any price close in that area would definitely be positive if we could see that on a daily basis here. At the moment, we're looking at roughly 210.65, so we may not get there today. That might not be possible, but this is a lot of there are a lot of green candles here, and we're really not seeing any price failures sort of in this region. So it's hard to deny that these are positive price movements. Just quickly here, just to close out the video, if we look at the indicator reading here, there are some signals here that should be watched. Because we are definitely trading in overbought territory at the moment. That shouldn't be surprising because this is a lot of upside activity here in a short period of time. And the 4-hour relative strength index reading currently comes in right around 78.2. So we're definitely trading in overbought territory at the moment. And if we look at this most recent momentum reading that we can see here, this is a fairly severe, drastic slope here. So this is the type of momentum reading that can be broken quite easily. I mean, it really wouldn't take much movement here to the downside to break through this area. So that is something that would need to be watched here because even, a relatively small reversal to the downside could then break this momentum reading. So that would be something that would need to be watched going forward. So just to close out here, we will look at some potential price targets in both directions. If we do see a kind of a convincing break above this kind of 211 area, the next level that we would have to watch, the top side, comes in right around 225, just below there would be the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. But there's really not much to be found here in terms of historical resistance zones. So I don't have a huge amount of confidence that this is really going to hold as resistance. And actually, look what we have here into the close here. We're actually seeing some further upside price movement. So we might actually get that daily close above that 211 mark. It was looking, we gained just almost $1 here just in the last minute or so. So this is a lot of price movement here. And if we are able to close above 211, I would say that that's a fairly significant price movement to the top side. So, these are bullish events here, and we're really not seeing much of a rejection off of these lows. Some of the other crypto stocks have seen some downturns here. MicroStrategy would be one example. Obviously, these are two very different companies. I mean, one is a cryptocurrency exchange, and the other one really just sort of buys Bitcoin. I personally am a bit more of a fan of Coinbase because I do think that there's more of an underlying business there. And I do think that people sort of miss with MicroStrategy. I think that people tend to miss or just sort of overlook the actual amount of Bitcoin that company actually holds versus the share price valuation. So in my view, Coinbase is a little bit more of an interesting stock to be owning. And it is good to see that the share price is now moving higher, even while some of these other stocks might be seeing some retracement here. So, currently to the top side, I think that we have to sort of look at an upside target of close to 225 here near term. We're getting a fairly strong close on the day here. This should be closing out here any minute. So this does look like, we're not going to be seeing any major rejections here. So this does put the stock on a very strong footing, but you do also have to be aware of the fact that a downside pullback here would not be surprising at all. I mean, this is a lot of upside price movement in a very short period of time. So here's the current stock market update for Coinbase Global Incorporated, stock ticker COIN. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market. Lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership and start trading stocks with the pros.